How to trade in Pet Simulator 99. So first of all, you're going to want to press the middle bottom icon on your screen. That's going to bring up this menu here where you see your best pets. There you want to click the right hand side where it has the two arrows, that icon there. At the bottom right of the screen, the two arrows, that's going to get you to the trading page here where you can go ahead and click on one of these names to trade, or you can click the search button, type in the person's name, then you'll be able to click trade with them. But then once you click trade, a trade request will be sent. They need to accept it on their end. If so, you can go ahead and click on however many different items you want to go ahead and click on. That's going to be part of the deal. So for me, just going to click one of them here, this corgi. Then once you've clicked on that, you can see on the right hand side what's part of their trade. And if you're okay with it, you can click ready in the bottom right hand corner. You can confirm it to say, are you sure? Make sure it's okay. You can click yes, or you can click no if you don't want it. You can also cancel it too. If you confirm and click the green buttons all the way through, the trade will go through. You can cancel it by pressing the red buttons, but that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.